You're merging two branches and suddenly Git refuses to finish. Sound familiar? A merge conflict happens when two branches both edit the same lines of a file in different ways. It also triggers when one branch deletes a file that another branch has modified. Git cannot auto-pick the right version, so it stops and asks you to decide. Git marks the conflicted area directly inside the file. You will see 7 less than signs followed by the word head. That is your current branch's version. Then 7 equal signs act as a divider. Then 7 greater than signs followed by the incoming branch name. The code between the less than signs and the divider is your version. The code between the divider and the greater than signs is the incoming version. Open the file in your editor and decide what the final code should look like. You can keep your changes, keep the incoming changes, or blend both together. Once you have made your decision, delete every conflict marker, every less than equals and greater than line. Only the code you want to keep should remain in the file. Once all conflicts are resolved, run git add on each fixed file to stage it. Then run git commit to finalize the merge. Git will provide a default merge commit message, but you can customize it. The merge is now complete. Merge conflicts need you to find the markers, clean up the file, then git add and git commit. Now go practice. Create one on purpose. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.